Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: battery above 20% and a stable connection so changes save. Open the watch settings or the companion phone app immediately. This is the only way forward. Once in settings, find date and time or clock. Some models hide it under system. Tap it to reveal formats. You'll choose 12-hour only, not just a toggle. Make sure automatic time sync is off first, because automatic often forces 24-hour on some firmware. Once done, disable automatic or network time sync so manual settings can take effect. This prevents the system from reverting. Next, find time format and explicitly select 12-hour with AM/PM. Some watches show 24-hour first, so tap the alternative. Then confirm the watch's time zone to avoid hour offsets, and if required, manually set hour and minute to match your local time. Make sure to save or confirm changes. Some models need an apply or save. To finish, verify the watch face now displays AM/PM and that alarms and timers reflect the 12-hour format. Once verified, you can re-enable automatic features if desired, but only after confirming they won't revert the format. If the watch still shows 24-hour, restart the device and reopen settings. Make sure the companion phone app doesn't override the watch format. If problems persist, update firmware or clear the companion app cache. That often resolves stubborn synchronization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.